about it. What is, let's make it clear. But right now, what is clear?
What is clear is we need to do the booking process here.
She's asking that she is brought to the hospital. You can do that there. Is that too much to ask?
Yes, sir, that's too much.
Oh, is that too much?
80 years old siya. 80 years old siya. 80 years old siya. Walang kaso. 80 years old siya.
Ilan sa Pilipino ang nahuli kayong araw na to? Ilan ang
Anong kaso? Kaya anong kaso? Gawa lang yung kaso. 80 years old siya.
Kung tayo lang Excel, ilang Pilipino ang binukay, ilang presidente na nabubuk.
So that means that you are banking on the inequality of the law because of the